Why does your scanner show the P0374 engine code? What does it mean? P0374 is a diagnostic trouble code for timing reference, high-resolution signal A, no pulses. The P0374 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that it is not receiving any high-resolution timing pulses from the crankshaft position sensor or injection pump timing sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. Damaged wiring or connectors. Damaged or misaligned reluctor wheel. Faulty distributor or fuel timing sensor. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Nissan, BMW, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.